And I used a bunch of Synth Controls leads here from his Synth Pop pack. I got this lead stack here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different leads. I just kind of kept adding layers and layers, and then some are panned here. So we'll listen to this. Got the lead chip tune here. That's only coming in every once in a while. I add a little like portamento gliding kind of stabs, which I thought was kind of cool. Now this is actually not from Synth Control. This is actually an element lead here from Wave's Element 2. This is another cool synth here. It's kind of more of a sawtooth type of sound here. Then a couple more of Synth Control sounds here. Some more kind of portamento gliding type leads here on the peripherals on the left and the right. That's what made it a fun, shimmering, more modern, popish type of sound, almost like Owl City-ish. And then I layered that with this pluck here, Dreaming, from the Synth Controls preset pack. And I still wanted more. And so I used Centronic's Mothra Returns lead, again from the DX7 emulation in here. Just add some, like, it's like circling around your head, just some movement. So all together. Pretty cool. And for creating this melody here, just kind of played back and forth between C and other notes, as you can see here again. Just kind of following what we have here in the chords. So this is kind of a good tip for writing melodies, is using notes that are in the chords. As you can see, C goes all the way through here, every single chord in this progression. So that was kind of my foundation that I built around here. And then I kind of bumped it up an octave here. Again, C is the foundation here. And then I'm just bouncing around C, playing some other notes. Again, we got C here. And then this is a cool trick here, especially when you have that portamento on, or the glide on your instrument here. Let me turn off this one so we can hear it. So here's Serum, so we can see portamento right here. It's on a little bit. Actually, I don't think this is the main one using the portamento, but it is cool. It just sounds more realistic when you have like stuff overlapping here. So if we go to Centronic, I believe this does have portamento on. Yeah, portamento right here. Okay, so that like gliding sound. So what that means is it's like, instead of just, if you hit one note and then you hit another note, instead of just that first note stops and then it jumps, you know, leaps up to that next note, it like glides up, like slides up over the other notes to get to that next note, if that makes sense. It just makes it sound a little bit different, because like repeating the same pattern, sort of. And so it just adds a little bit of variational interest, makes it sound a little bit more realistic. And this actually was a mistake, because I played this on my MIDI keyboard and I accidentally hit two notes at the same time, but it sounded cool, so I left it in. And I'm not using any effects on like any of these except for the lead stack here. I've got, again, some magma tubes, adding quite a bit of drive here, trying to add some edginess to those, and then some reverb. And then I've also have some bit crushing across all the leads, but this is only, I believe this is only, I'm automating this in only during the bridge. Same thing here, and then the bridge, we got this new melody here, kind of playing in the background behind the vocals. Just kind of gradually just working my way up the scale here. And there's that bit crushing there at the end. Be sure to download my free Synthwave sample pack in the description. Not only does this contain over 100 80s drum and effects samples, but it also includes my Synthwave sound design cookbook, which includes step-by-step recipes for creating your own Synthwave sounds. And it includes my Synthwave mixing cheat sheet, which breaks down specific mixing techniques you can use to get that retro Synthwave sound every single time. Again, this is all free in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/starter pack. If you found this video helpful, be sure to use whatever special powers you have to hit that like button like you're ET trying to phone home. And if you want more help creating Synthwave music, then be sure to click the video playing in a box on the screen right now, as that is my full in-depth tutorial on creating a Synthwave song from start to finish. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.